I'm going to show you how to use a free transform tool inside of Elements to scale, rotate, constrain, and flip. So inside of Elements, I have my two layers, so my background and my character. So make sure you're on the right layer first, and get on the Move tool. And if you're not on the Move tool, then you need to move on to that. And then a couple of things you need to be showing. You need to make sure that you have this show bounding box on there. Okay, so now I'm ready to basically move and resize this guy. This image is fairly big because of where it came from, so I need to zoom out a little bit so I can actually see that bounding box on there. So I'm just using the Alt to zoom in and out. You can always use the zoom tool over there. So now I can start to see my bounding box, and once again, if you do not see that, you just click on that and then click on your object, you'll see that. So now I can go ahead and grab that and start to click and drag. If you hold down Shift, that'll constrain it when you pull from a corner, or you'll also see the constraint proportions pop up on you. Just make sure when you do this, don't grab from an edge, otherwise that typically will just mess it up, and then you have to just kind of start all over again. So go ahead and just grab that corner, hold down Shift to constrain, kind of move it back up until you get the position the way that you want it to. So once I get that in the spot where I want it to be, then I can click on the check if I'm done. If I want to play a little bit more with it and maybe rotate it, I can go out to a corner and get these curvy arrows, and I can actually rotate if I wanted to a little bit. If you want to flip something while you're in that rotation, you can either right mouse click and you can flip horizontal or vertically. The messy way is just to grab it from one side to another and do it that way, but that will destroy your photo. So grab from a corner, resize it, position it. If you need to rotate it, go out to the corners, make it go, and when you're done with that, then just click on the check plus or the check, and that will complete your transformation on there. And then you can continue to do whatever you need to, maybe clean it up a little bit in my case, but that's the transform tool.